The only person who needs to believe in you is you. And once you do that, nothing can stop you. There is one simple truth in life. No one is coming to save you. No one is going to wake you up every morning and push you towards your dreams. No one is going to do the hard work for you. No one is going to hold your hand and make sure you succeed. If you want something, you have to go and get it yourself. Most people wait. They wait for the perfect moment. They wait for motivation. They wait for someone to support them. And in waiting, they waste precious time. They keep hoping that life will change, but they refuse to take action. They blame their circumstances, their past, their luck. But the truth is, their real problem is that they are not willing to take responsibility for their own life. You have to stop expecting others to do things for you. Stop expecting people to understand your struggles. Stop waiting for approval, for support, for permission. Life does not work that way. The people around you have their own problems, their own dreams, their own battles. They may care about you, but they cannot live your life for you. And they should not have to. Look at the most successful people in the world. They did not wait for anyone to give them an easy path. They worked for it. They struggled. They faced challenges, but they never made excuses. They understood that no one owed them anything. They knew that if they wanted something, they had to create their own opportunities. This is the mindset you need to develop. Instead of looking at what you don't have, focus on what you can do with what you have. And instead of blaming others for your failures, take responsibility and learn from them. Instead of waiting for motivation, create discipline. Motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. But discipline, once built, stays with you forever. Many people say they want success, but their actions tell a different story. They spend hours scrolling on social media, watching other people live their dreams instead of working on their own. They complain about their job but never take steps to improve their skills. They dream of a better future but waste their present doing nothing. If you recognize yourself in any of these habits, it is time to change. Success is not given. It is earned. It is earned by the person who wakes up early and puts in the work. It is earned by the person who stays focused while everyone else is distracted. It is earned by the person who takes responsibility for their actions and refuses to make excuses. The best thing you can do for yourself is to stop depending on others. If someone helps you, be grateful but never expect it. If someone supports you, appreciate it but do not rely on it. Because the moment you start depending on others, you give away your power. You make your success conditional on their support. And that is dangerous. Think about what you want in life. Think about where you want to be in the next 5 years. Now, ask yourself, are you taking full responsibility for making it happen? Or are you waiting for someone else to do it for you? Be honest with yourself, because your future depends on it. From today, take control of your life. Decide that no matter what happens, you will not blame others. You will not wait for help. You will not expect things to be easy. You will do what needs to be done even when it is hard. And when you do this, you will become unstoppable. Because the person who depends on no one is the person who can achieve anything. Most people spend their entire lives afraid of failure. They fear making mistakes, looking foolish, or facing setbacks. But the truth is, failure is not the enemy. Failure is a teacher, a guide, and a necessary part of success. The only real failure in life is never trying at all. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is not talent, intelligence, or luck. It is the ability to embrace failure, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Think about the most successful people in the world. Do you think they never failed? No. They failed more times than most people even try. They faced rejection, criticism, and loss. But instead of letting failure stop them, they used it as a stepping stone. They understood that every mistake teaches something valuable. Every setback builds strength. Every disappointment prepares you for something bigger. The problem with most people is that they let failure define them. They fail once and decide they're not good enough. They make a mistake and feel embarrassed. They give up before they even give themselves a real chance. But if you change the way you see failure, your entire life will change. Instead of seeing it as an end, see it as a lesson. Instead of seeing it as a reason to quit, see it as proof that you are trying. Failure is not personal. It does not mean you are not capable or that you will never succeed. It simply means you are learning. It means you are stepping out of your comfort zone, and that is where real growth happens. Imagine a child learning to walk. The first time they try, they fall. The second time, they fall again. But do they give up? No. They get up, try again, and keep going until they succeed. Why? Because they do not see failure as a reason to stop. They do not overthink, doubt themselves, or worry about what others think. They just keep going. This is the mindset you need to develop. Stop being afraid of looking foolish. Stop worrying about making mistakes. Stop holding yourself back because of what others might say. The truth is, people are too busy with their own lives to focus on your failures. And even if they do, their opinions do not determine your future. Failure only has power over you if you let it. The only way it can truly stop you is if you stop trying. But as long as you keep learning, adjusting, and pushing forward, you are still on the path to success. If you failed at something, good. That means you are in the game. That means you are taking risks and putting yourself out there. That means you are growing. But do not stop. Do not let one bad experience make you quit. Learn from it, improve, and try again. Because the person who keeps going, no matter how many times they fall, is the one who will eventually win. Some of the greatest success stories started with massive failures. People who lost everything, people who were rejected, people who struggled for years before finally achieving their goals. But they all had one thing in common. They refused to give up. They knew that failure was temporary, but quitting was permanent. So the next time you fail, do not see it as a reason to stop. See it as proof that you are on the right track. Learn from it, adjust your approach, and keep moving forward. Because the only real failure is not trying at all. Most people spend their entire lives seeking validation from others. They want approval, acceptance, and recognition. They measure their success based on what others think. They shape their dreams according to what society expects. But here's the truth. If you live for the approval of others, you will die with regret. Because no matter what you do, someone will always have something negative to say. No matter how hard you try to please people, it will never be enough. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for permission to live their best life. They wait for someone to tell them they are good enough, smart enough, or talented enough. They wait for the perfect moment, the right opportunity, the approval of their family, or the support of their friends. But the reality is, if you keep waiting, life will pass you by. Time does not stop for anyone. And if you do not take control of your own life, someone else will. You have to understand that this is your journey. Your dreams, your goals, and your ambitions belong to you. No one else will feel the same passion you do. No one else will understand your vision the way you do. And that is okay. Because you do not need anyone's permission to become the person you want to be. The people who doubt you, criticize you, or laugh at your dreams are not the ones who will live your life. They will not face the consequences of your choices. They will not feel the regret of missed opportunities. So why should their opinions control your actions? Why should their negativity stop you from becoming who you are meant to be? Many people fear standing alone. They fear rejection. They fear losing friends. But sometimes standing alone is the best thing you can do for yourself. When you stop looking for approval, you start living freely. You stop limiting yourself. You stop making decisions based on fear. You start focusing on what truly matters: your growth, your happiness, and your success. Think about the most successful people in the world. Did they wait for others to believe in them? No, they believed in themselves first. They kept working even when no one supported them. They followed their dreams even when people laughed at them, and that is why they succeeded, because they did not let the doubts of others become their reality. Success is not about making everyone happy. It is about making yourself proud. It is about looking in the mirror and knowing you gave your best. It is about waking up every morning with purpose, knowing you are building the life you truly want. So stop waiting for someone to say you can do it. Stop looking for validation. Stop trying to fit into a box that was never meant for you. Create your own path, follow your own dreams, trust yourself. Because at the end of the day, you are the only person who will live with the results of your choices. If people doubt you, let them. If they criticize you, let them. If they do not support you, keep going anyway, because one day, the same people who question you will be the ones asking, how did you do it? And that moment will not come because you waited for their approval. It will come because you believed in yourself when no one else did. Life is too short to live according to someone else's expectations. Focus on yourself, build yourself, work in silence, and let your success make the noise. Because when you truly believe in yourself and take action, you will shock everyone.